Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Grammarly affiliate program, full guide step by step clearly. To register with the Grammarly affiliate program, start by visiting the Grammarly website. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Look for the link labeled affiliate program and click on it. You will be redirected to the Grammarly affiliate program page. On this page, find the Join Now button and click it. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you need to create a new account, fill in the required information, including your name and email address. Choose a strong password and confirm it to secure your account. Once you have filled in the necessary details, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email from Grammarly. Check your inbox and open the confirmation email. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Grammarly affiliate program page. Log in with your newly created account credentials. Complete your profile by providing relevant details, such as your website URL or social media profiles. Review the terms and conditions of the affiliate program carefully. Once you agree, accept the terms to proceed. Your application will be submitted for review by the Grammarly team. You will receive notifications about your application status via email. If approved, you will gain access to the affiliate dashboard. Here, you can find your unique affiliate links and marketing materials. Start promoting Grammarly using your affiliate links on your chosen platforms. Monitor your clicks and commissions through the affiliate dashboard. Stay updated with any promotions and resources provided by Grammarly. Engage with the affiliate community for tips and best practices. And that's how you can successfully register with the Grammarly affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.